generator.
Come on down. Let's take a look. The important thing is the antidote exists. And I know where it is.
Where?
Warning, warning. System overload.
It's one of 3 government buildings, all of which are top secret.
You got that from the computer files?
Yeah.
Providing it hasn't been moved to.
Now quiet.
What is it?
What's that sound?
Evacuate installation.
It's Brady! It's okay. We're about the other. We're here.
Help me!
Go check inside. See if anybody else is in there.
Where's Sandra?
Brian, no!
Wait, get off